While they live with the condition affecting their lives every single day, thousands of families around Australia have no idea why their child has autism. Although experts still are not certain, it's likely that genetic predispositions interacting with a Western-style diet, including processed foods and toxins, may trigger the condition. What is certain is the number of autistic children is rising exponentially. In the US, from 1 in 5,000 children aged 8 in 1975 to 1 in 50 in 2015. Here in Australia, 1 in 33 children between 5 and 9 were diagnosed with autism in 2012. And based on trends, by 2020, we can expect that 1 in 20 kids aged 5 to 9 may be diagnosed as autistic. You'd think with figures like these, there'd be a great deal of research being done in the area to one day prevent the lifelong struggle that an autism diagnosis can cause. But much of the work is being left to doctors who have slowly gained expertise in the area.
In our opinion, the causes are going to get worse and worse because nobody is stopping the toxins from getting into the food chain.
Many doctors now promote natural methods such as nutrient supplements and behaviour analysis therapy to give these kids a shot at a regular life.
Until something like autism touches you, you tend to think it's something that happens to other people, obviously. And you don't do much at all to support. But the need to do something about autism, ADHD and all these neurodevelopmental problems is enormous.
People probably don't notice it as much as, any other health problems or mental problems or whatever, but it's something that needs to be looked into more seriously and more awareness about it, because I don't think there is.
The Australian Autism ADHD Foundation aims to curb the dramatically rising number of kids with autism by discovering once and for all exactly what factors cause it to develop in children. Will you help them?